To gain an understanding of the multiple programs of a hybrid building, 3 case studies were done. For retail, Elante Mall, Chandigarh. Hotel, retail, and offices are connected through a central plaza. The pedestrian entry is located at the junction of two main roads. With accessibility becoming a central concern, outdoor recreational ramps are incorporated. For hotel, Hotel Oceana, Mexico. The main concept is focused on opening the building envelope to the street and urbanscape. The connection to the nearby beach is enhanced. The dynamic design of the facade allows each apartment to look outwards and have natural ventilation. Linked Hybrid China. Architect Stephen Hall. This project promotes interactive relationship between various functions. All the public functions are on the ground level. There is a multifunctional series of sky bridges supported by Verandil girders connecting all the towers. Site analysis. Our 3.8-acre site is located on the junction of the Golf Course Road and the Sunset Boulevard Road. We did a city-level proximity study showing the Rapid Metro Line, Yellow Line, and the major roads and highways. We located all the major schools, universities, hospitals, transit nodes, etc. in our neighborhood proximity study. Traffic pattern. Our site is located at the junction due to which there is heavy traffic. These plans show the traffic pattern at different times of the day along the major roads. The first plan shows the movement pattern of the pedestrians and the vehicles. The second shows the transportation network with the primary, secondary, tertiary roads and the Arjun Marg underpass. Our site falls in the transitional TOD zones of both DLF Phase 1 metro station and Sector 42-43 metro station. The golf course road has a lot of high-rise residential buildings. Along the roadside, there are many institutional and commercial buildings, but as we move away from the road, the majority of them are residential. SWOT analysis. The strengths are the site's accessibility and location due to the proximity to public transit. The weakness is the lack of pedestrian accessibility. The high-paced traffic also poses a risk. Edge conditions. The rapid metro runs along the center of the 30-meter golf course road. On the 15-meter wide Sunset Boulevard Road is the bus stop. This road connects to Gurgaon Faridabad Road. The connecting road brings traffic from Vyapar Kendra. Due to the use of concrete, the heat island effect makes the area on and around the roads and metro line much hotter. The trees provide the much needed shade and make the area around them cooler. There is very limited pedestrian accessibility along the golf course road, made even harder by the fast-paced traffic. Our concept being connectivity, we chose this site to enhance pedestrian access from all four sides of the junction. Road network. This site has a complex road network due to the presence of an existing underpass and a high-paced junction. Our proposed solution is to sink the junction 6.5 meters, placing the basement below the junction and leaving the junction traffic undisturbed. Our X Factor is a wellness center. It includes intellectual, social, spiritual wellness along with physical, library for intellectual, gyms, spas and swimming pools for physical, yoga for spiritual, and plazas and open spaces for social wellness. Zoning was done to understand the connectivities between programs and functions. To understand the interconnectivities between functions, horizontal layering was done. Vertical stacking was done according to the publicness of the function dictated by the access points. Ideation process. Our first main concept is connectivity. The form was developed to reflect how functions of a building can be connected externally to create recreational spaces or access points. The second form was developed according to the junction. The building form was developed by dividing a simple geometric shape to act as a nodal point. Our second concept is Voronoi, which is derived from our proximity studies. The landmarks were used as nodes. Using Delaunay's triangulation, the nodes were connected to form triangles with the smallest possible area. Then the perpendicular bisectors of each side of the triangle were drawn. When the intersection of the bisectors is joined, we get the Voronoi tessellation. Following its cues, a 3D form was developed. We arrived at our conceptual form by combining external connectivities and Voronoi form. We have used a grid developed during proximity studies to generate our form. The grid has been placed on site by aligning to the views of major institutional establishments like SNU Primamed Specialty Hospital and Global Foyer. The grid is then placed on site. Modules are selected so as to mimic the junction below. The heights of the tower are according to the program mix. Terraces and balconies are created to mimic the Voronoi tessellation. The form was then regenerated to resemble the conceptual form. With the addition of external connectivities, we have a final form. Programmatic hybrid. Overlaps in the different functions were identified. Using connectivities at multiple levels, the programs of retail, offices, service apartments, hotels, and X factors have been linked. Plan, site plan. The site plan shows the access to the site through the service lanes while leaving the main road accessible to the junction. Each tower has a drop-off except for the office, the drop-off of which is in the basement. Ground floor. The ground floor shows the access to the ramps heading to the second floor landscape. The landscaping is done by using the Voronoi grid to make plazas of different sizes. All towers have public functions on the ground floor with all except one being retail. Basement. The basement has the only drop-offs for offices and additional drop-offs for hotel. Second floor. This floor has a perforated landscape connecting all public functions for hotel and retail in the towers. Sixth floor. This floor has the first sky bridges linking all the towers. X Factor links hotel and the offices. Eighth floor. This floor has a similar connect and program as the sixth floor. 13th floor. This plan shows the two hotel towers being connected by the sky bridge, also a gym. Sections. Section AA- shows office, retail and hotel tower. We have introduced multiple connectivities due to which the publicness increased throughout the building. Section BB-. This section shows the retail and X Factor towers that are linked by the sky bridges and a cantilever floor. Section CC-. The main connectivity between the office and X Factor is a double height reading space. Section DD-. The gym in the sky bridge connects the two hotel towers. Views. Throughout the building there are connectivities every few floors either in the form of sky bridges or plazas or platforms. The Voronoi grid was followed to make plazas of varying sizes. Two levels of landscaping. Plaza with canopy and seating. Provision of bicycle paths to promote dockless cycling culture already prevalent in Gurgaon. Sky bridges on higher floors link the towers together. Reading area as a connect between office and X Factor. Cinematic shots. To access the panorama, please use the CamScanner app to scan the QR codes.